Every 986 came with a toolkit. It can be found here in the front trunk. Just unvelcro this pouch here on the spare tire cover and you'll find the toolkit. So in this kit, probably the most important thing you'll find will be the security adapter for your security lug nut. You use these two pieces. You can make a tool to take off the lug nuts. Under this cap you'll find the blade in case you need to try to work a tire back onto the rim or off the rim. There's also a Phillips head screwdriver. This piece is pretty cool. So simply take it and screw it into where one of the lug nut bolts goes. And that gives you something now to hang your tire on. Since they don't have lugs in the wheels, you can do this, and now you can line up your other bolts. And when you've got a couple of them, you just remove this guy and install the other three. You also have a tow loop in case you've run off in a ditch or something. So simply find the circle in the front bumper, pop it out, it's hanging on by a piece of fishing line there. And you'll find a threaded piece that's in the metal part of the bumper inside. Simply wind this in. And now you have a place to hook a tow strap to pull you out of a ditch or whatever other place you've gotten yourself into. You have this piece here, which is used to remove the headlights if you need to change a bulb or work on them. To use this headlight tool, you'll simply work this little black holder out. Inside here you'll find this plug. Pull it out. Insert the socket in and turn it clockwise. The headlights have moved, and now get it to the right place. The headlights are free and you can change bulbs, whatever you need to do. Likewise, to replace the headlights, line it up, slide it in, turn the tool counterclockwise. Hear that pop? Snapped it right into place. It's locked in. Replace your bushing and your carpeted piece here, and you're good to go. And also a combination wrench with a 10mm and a 13mm. I know most things on this car take a 10mm. I don't know if I've ever had a 13 to be used. Of course, always put your tools back in the pouch where you found them. That way you'll know exactly where they are next time you need them or in case of an emergency. Thanks for watching.